What's up guys, it's Clay here with Verus Engineering, and today we are going to be installing our AC line cap kit on our 2022 Toyota GR86. This kit will also work with the 2022 Subaru BRZ, so let's get on to the install. Alright, now what you're going to get with the kit, you're going to get 2 O-rings, you're going to get 2 anodized caps in the color of your choosing, and then you're going to get 2 different threaded adapters. As far as tools you're going to need a pretty sizable flathead screwdriver and some red Loctite. So first you're going to want to take your adapter fitting on the small threaded side. This is where we're going to install our O-rings. Slide them down on there. Alright, so in order to put these caps together, you're going to take one of your threaded adapters, and we're going to use our red Loctite, and then on the thicker side, the thicker threaded portion, we're going to add a dab. You can do a couple if you like, you don't need too much here. Then we're going to take our red AC cap. We're going to start threading this by hand, and then you're going to take your screwdriver and you're going to snug it up. There is what it's going to look like inside when it's done. And you're going to do the same exact thing with your other cap. Now we're going to head over to the car. And as I mentioned earlier, there's 2 different sizes of our threaded portions. So first thing you need to do, you need to remove the factory ones. Ours got destroyed during development, so we don't have those on the car anymore. But the smaller threaded portion is going to be this front section. So we'll just screw it on. And then the bigger one obviously is going to go on this rear portion back here. You don't need to crank these down, just screw them on hand tight, maybe a little bit further, and that's all you need to do. Well guys, that's all there is to it. It is a pretty simple install, takes a matter of minutes to do here. We are done. Obviously, as you can see, we got a whole bunch of different red accents in our engine bay now. Just going to add some extra color to your engine bay to stand out from the crowd. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please put those in the comment section below or send us an email at sales@verus-engineering.com. And until next time.